How to DIY a computer desk without actually building anything. My newly organized home office is complete with a DIY computer desk that I didn't have to drill, nail, or screw into. I know what you're thinking. How do you DIY anything without a drill or screwdriver? Well, it started with creating a plan to make a desk that could fit 3 people. Once that plan was created, I got all the parts I needed. I got 3 melamine desktops and 4 locking file cabinets. The filing cabinets will act as the base of the desk. To recreate this desk, space the filing cabinets out so that the desktop fits. The 2 middle filing cabinets will hold 2 desktops. To secure, push the desktop straight to the wall and pull the filing cabinets to the front of the desk. Use command brand picture Velcro hooks to keep the countertop in place on the filing cabinets. The desk will be long enough to fit 3 people. This makes amazing space for you to spread out or create a family workstation. Now, organizing those desk drawers. Once your desk is set up, create an organizational system that works on both the counters and the drawers. Figure out where to place things. I suggest sorting items based on how frequently you use them. I keep my pens and notepads on the counter and office supplies in the drawers. I use drawer dividers to keep things organized within the cabinets. And create a filing system to keep your paper clutter to a minimum. Now that you have all of this desk space, think about what you're going to keep on the counter to keep it organized. I like using drawers on my desktop for things like pens and paper. Hate filing cabinets? Try using a magazine holder or filing box on your counter space to store paper. This will eliminate paper piles. Create a command center for your computer desk. I recommend creating a command center or project board to keep track of all the things. One of the command centers you can use can track projects or events. Use wall space to help eliminate clutter on your desktop. I have acrylic boards. These acrylic boards can be recreated with my project planner. I use acrylic boards along with vinyl to create these. When setting up a home office, make sure you have ample desk space. Store frequently used items on the counter to keep things organized. And create a filing system for your papers. Create a command center or project board to streamline your projects and limit desk clutter. Love what you see? Don't forget to subscribe. New videos every week.